Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, delivery delayed due to software upgrades and testing of Tejas Mk1A. The first delivery of the indigenous Tejas Mk1A fighter jet to the Indian Air Force has been delayed due to extensive software upgrades and testing requirements. Sources close revealed that the IAF requested early onboard testing of the upgraded software originally planned for a later stage. This, combined with the final software testing and planned ordnance delivery tests, has pushed back the delivery of several months. Next, acquiring of FC-31 by Pakistan has raised questions. In a significant development in South Asian defense dynamics, Pakistan's plan to acquire Chinese stealth fighter jets, potentially the FC-31, have raised questions about regional military balances. However, a senior Indian Air Force officer speaking on the condition of anonymity asserted that this move would not force India to alter its own plans for procuring domestically made fighter jets. Next, development of indigenous stealth UCAV program. The DRDO is making significant strides in India's quest for technological self-reliance with the development of its stealth wing technology demonstrator, that is SWIFT. The unassuming prototype resembling the formidable US B-2 bomber is the precursor to the much-anticipated Ghatak unmanned combat aerial vehicles. A recent breakthrough came with the successful flight trial of SWIFT in a tailless configuration, placing India in a select group of nations mastering this complex technology. Next, Sukhoi 30 MKI flexes muscles with Astra Mk2 and Nirbhay at pitch black. India's Sukhoi 30 MKI has showcased its formidable capabilities at exercise pitch black with the deployment of the advanced Astra Mk2 air-to-air missile and Nirbhay air-launched cruise missile. This marks a significant milestone for both weapon systems, confirming their operational readiness on the Sukhoi 30 MKI. The Astra Mk2, a beyond visual range BVR missile with an impressive range of 160 km, has been under development for several years. Its integration onto the Su-30 MKI significantly enhances the aircraft's air-to-air combat capabilities. Next, Navy gets NG, that is next generation radar technology. Astra Microwave, a leading Hyderabad-based company, has achieved a significant milestone in radar technology by successfully executing the active antenna array unit of the ship-borne radar. This cutting-edge 6-meter S-band radar, known as the Long-Range Multifunctional Radar, is set to replace the existing MF Star radar system on Indian naval vessels. Next, China's declining arms due to substandard quality. China's arms export have significantly declined over the past decade due to issues related to poor quality, compatibility problems, and substandard operational performance. Although many countries have been compelled to purchase military imports from China because of lower costs and coercive economic influence, numerous reports highlight recurrent defects, inadequate technical support, and the lack of spare parts, underscoring a serious quality issues with China's military industrial complex. Next, Exercise Pitch Black 2024 concludes. Exercise Pitch Black 24 includes today, after 3 weeks of high-intensity training in the skies over Australia's top end, the Royal Australian Air Force premier international engagement activity. The exercise involved approximately 4,400 personnel and 140 aircrafts from 20 nations. Thank you.